Hey guys, Dr. Davisson here. We're at LA Fitness again, and we're actually going to be going over a leg press. So another one that we had already done is a squat, and this is a variation of it, especially if you have back problems and doing like a full standing squat is not as easy for you. This can be a good way to kind of introduce yourself back into it when we're rehabbing the lower back, okay? So with this one, you're actually going to make sure everything's positioned right, but you're gonna have your feet up through here, then you're gonna sit straight down. You wanna have a bend at the knee, a bend at the hip, and actually a bend at the ankle too when you start, because you're gonna go through a full range of motion. So you push, you straighten out through here, don't fully lock out your knees, don't end up injuring them or hurting them, especially if you have higher weight, and you're slowly gonna bring it back down and back up through here, and you hold and squeeze. So you wanna make sure you do nice and slow, not too fast. And that's basically it. So you're working the quads, you're working the glutes, you're working the hammies a little bit for stability, and you're just making sure you're strengthening up those legs and your lower back. Thanks, guys.